Brewing coffee the traditional percolator way at home doesn't have to be complicated, but it is difficult to brew percolator coffee for just one person. Start with fresh water, measure your freshly ground coffee carefully. Place the top, and you're ready to boil your water on the burner. This is a traditional percolator set from the 1940s. You can add your preheated water to your percolator with your coffee and then return it to the burner to finish the process. This is a key step in getting great percolator coffee. You know it's ready when it percolates up into the glass top. Ready to serve, but first let it cool down a minute and settle. Pour your coffee and enjoy.